In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volume in Tradingview's chart. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to view volume on your chart is crucial for analyzing market behavior and making informed decisions. Volume can offer valuable insights into the strength of price movements, and today, we'll dive into how to effectively display it on your Tradingview chart. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up the chart for the symbol you're interested in. You can do this by selecting a particular asset, stock, or any trading instrument that you wish to analyze. Once the chart has loaded in Tradingview, turn your attention to the toolbar located at the top of the screen. Up there, you'll see an option labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a search box where you can find various indicators to overlay on your chart. In the search bar, type the word volume. You'll see several options appear, but for today, we're focusing on the built-in volume indicator. Simply click on it to select it. Instantly, you'll notice the addition of vertical bars beneath your price chart. These bars represent the trading volume for each time period, adding an important layer of data to your analysis. Understanding these bars is straightforward and immensely helpful. They are typically color-coded. Green bars indicate that the close of the trading period was higher than the open, which is considered bullish. This can suggest that buyers were more active during this time. On the other hand, red bars signify that the close was lower than the open, indicating bearish sentiment, where sellers may have had more influence. The height of the bars is equally important and not to be overlooked. Taller bars suggest a higher level of trading activity during that specific period. This is key for gauging the strength of price movements. For instance, if you see a significant price move accompanied by a tall volume bar, it may imply strong momentum behind the move. Conversely, a move with low volume might indicate a lack of conviction, suggesting the move could be short-lived. In summary, adding volume to your chart in Tradingview is a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your trading analysis considerably. This visual representation allows you to see not just the price movement, but the intensity behind it. As you continue to study and apply this to your trading strategy, you'll find that it can provide crucial insights into market dynamics, helping you to make more informed and strategic trading decisions. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. Keep exploring these tools, and you'll surely improve your trading proficiency over time. Thanks for watching, and have